Hi there, welcome and welcome back to my kitchen by Nana, a place where we make simple yet delicious meals. Today we are making mushrooms and beef. So I'm using button mushrooms and I'm going to first season the meat with salt and black pepper and then make sure that all the pieces of the meat get the salt and the black pepper by mixing. So heat your pan, add some vegetable oil, then some butter, and then place your meat in the pan. So I'm just going to fry it until it becomes brown. I'm not looking for the golden brown color, I just want it a little bit brown. Add some finely chopped onions to the pan. I used about one medium-sized red onion. Fry it shortly. Then add some finely chopped garlic. I used 2 cloves of garlic, also fried shortly. Then we are going to add in our tomato paste. I used 1.5 tablespoons. Fry it and then add some paprika, beef curry powder, then add the beautiful mushrooms to the pan. They are very healthy, very tasty. You'll love them. So for the salt, remember I seasoned the beef with salt and pepper at the beginning, so I'll add in salt later on during the cooking process. Add in some stock when the mushrooms become soft. So when the sauce reduces, add in some cooking cream. I added about 1 cup of cooking cream and I let it simmer. Then I added in some salt because the previous salt I had put in wasn't enough. Add some dry thyme. It's going to add a very nice flavor to the sauce, and then let it simmer on low heat. There's something about sauces that simmer, they always come out very tasty. They have that nice flavor to them. So this is how it looks like. I just let it reduce the sauce. But if you want some sauce in it, you just have to remove it from the heat before it reduces. Thank you guys for watching.